All right. In the evening water. It's growing pretty good. I don't give them too much because it rained today. Got them growing in a bunch, but I'm gonna take that center row out and replant them in another place. And this is bed number 2. They're growing pretty good. And down here is my that's the 2 bell peppers. And those are the tomato plants. And that first planter right there, that's okra in these first 3 right here. Those 3 black ones. And I still gotta plant something in these. Those are potato bags. 2 potato bags. I'm just getting the soil mixed before I plant them, put them down in there. And like I said, I got a whole nother spot on the other side that's ready to go. I'm gonna put a row of those collard greens in them, transfer them from this plant box and take them over there. And I think that'll start doing pretty good. But anyway, like I say, I'm coming along. As I keep doing this every day, we'll be eating real soon. Appreciate y'all watching. And if you get a chance, like and subscribe. That was if you get a chance. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned, there's more to come.